I've been privileged enough to go to many panels in my life. You know, whether they be at conventions or summits or just kind of like one-offs, you know, where you go see someone speak, right, for an evening. And for the most part, they've been really informative. I've always looked forward to them. But there is something that I've noticed in enough of them where it becomes a pet peeve, and I wanted to kind of address it, put it out there, and hopefully provide a fix. And that is that the panel introductions just end up taking way too much time. So most events that I go to typically are about 45 minutes, right, in terms of everything. So that includes the start of the panel, that includes the Q&A, and obviously by the time you get to the end. So it's not, ironically, that uncommon that the panel begins and about 20 of those 45 minutes are just introductions of each person, right? Because there could be 3 to 4 people on a panel, generally speaking. And each person kind of goes through and, you know, talks about themselves. And some of the information is good contextually, but generally it's frustrating because it's like, okay, I came here to learn how to, you know, find the right animation team, or how to finance a movie, or how to begin a podcast, or how to monetize a podcast, or, you know, how to properly outline from the best people, right? Like whatever the subject matter is, you're there to try to get that information. And unfortunately, 9 times out of 10 times, the introductions don't really serve much. They just zap time and, you know, kind of kill the mood. And it's like you're waiting for the good stuff. So my plea is to make them far shorter. Now, I try to be cognizant of this whenever I have the opportunity to speak in public. For example, with myself and my teams in the past having done LA Comic-Con. You know, I know there are people not there to see me. They're there to see the information that I have to provide. And then if I provide it for them, then they might like me, right? And so we've always kept it like, what is essential as far as this? So with this last panel where we talked about my animated feature, The Arbiters, and how we've been developing it and, you know, the business side of things, you know, there's 5 of us. And so we went around and we introduced ourselves. Hi, my name is Svitek, and I'm the writer-director of the movie. Like whatever is needed in order to just move the conversation forward. And I think it's far shorter than most people give it credit for. Now, here's a cheat code that's not always available, but I would highly recommend, which is to do some sort of video package, right? That's a great way to showcase work or pull in some quotes, and you could cover 5 people within 1 minute, right? Which doesn't seem like a lot, but I remember we did that at one of the early Comic-Cons that we were a part of. We had AV support, and so we were able to roll in a package that kind of highlighted everyone's work, right? So it's not just us telling, you know, what we do. We got to showcase it a little bit and get people really excited. So that's a great cheat code. But if you don't have that opportunity, then again, as far as anything else, just keeping it concise and highlighting what's relevant to the actual panel itself, right? You might have a wonderful list of accolades or whoever else, but what is absolutely needed in the context of this? Now, obviously, there's a differentiation if, you know, the presentation is like a Lifetime Achievement Award or something like that. Like, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about informational panels themselves, where it's, you know, anywhere between 2 people to more. And by the way, it could be one person speaking. You know, keep it short. Give the value. And so, yeah, that's kind of what I hope for panels, and what I hope if you have the opportunity yourself to do a panel, to just kind of work on it. And now, part of it, I will also say, it's not always available to people, but with the panels that I'm a part of, I try to very much just kind of get everyone on the same page ahead of time of like, okay, hey, you know, what do we want to try to achieve and what do we want to talk about, so that way there's a takeaway for the audience. And I think that helps too, is when you have that preparation side to it. But these are just some tidbits and whatnot. If you want to explore further, I've actually dived far deeper into this on my Patreon page. So patreon.com/PhilSvitek is where you can really get some more tactile information, but I just wanted to kind of highlight the concept here, and, you know, highlight my frustration why it might be that. Because, you know, the biggest thing is that often these panels are not free, right? You're paying upwards of hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So it's like, I want to get the information there, right? So in that limited amount of time, panelists should utilize it as best they can. And so keeping the introduction short is one of those ways. Thank you for taking the time to tune in. I would love to hear your thoughts on this subject matter. Comment down below or hit me up on social media @PhilSvitek. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe so you get all the various lessons and episodes that I put out right when I put them out. Thank you if you just did. And thank you if you already were. It means a lot to me. And see you next time.